Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a handheld shower head. You can see the one that we got right here from this brand, and here is basically what the package looks like. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So they do provide guys like the tape that's used for the leakage and everything. They provide guys the top part of where you guys want to set up the handle and the water to come out. And you guys notice the one that I got right here is a black color. They also have this available in a chrome color as well. So if you guys want that one, you can get that instead. But I do prefer this one because it looks like a very nice matte design. Next up right here, they provide guys this accessory. Right here, they provide guys a shower hose. So let's take it out. This is what the shower hose looks like. So it has this very nice kind of like rubber material or something on here that's super flexible. And it is pretty long if you guys can see. And if you guys open up this part, that is basically what the inside looks like. So they already have the washer inside, so all you need to do is screw everything together. And I will show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do fully set it up. Inside they also provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And last but not least, we have the actual product. So you see this is what the product looks like. It actually feels very soft and very smooth because of the matte design that's on here. But you basically want to screw the side onto the actual shower hose. And right here is basically where the water will come out. So they have this self-cleaning silicone material on here, which is pretty nice. And for this handheld shower head, there's 5 different modes available. So there's like a pulsating massage mode, power rain mode, rainfall massage mode, power mist mode, and a rain mist mode. And the way how you guys change each different setting on here is by doing this. You basically want to turn this part right here to actually change it. But that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now I'm actually going to set this up to show you guys what the product looks like, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here I do have my shower head and everything, and I do have a filter set up. So what I want to do first is to set up the white tape on there so that way none of the water can leak out. And if you guys don't have a shower filter, I do recommend getting this one. It's actually pretty good. That way you guys can get clean water to actually use for showering. So let's just put on one layer on. So once you guys got on the white tape, what you're going to do is set up this part right here. So all you're going to do is just kind of screw it on. Alright. Make sure that part is tight. Once it's tight, then you set up the shower hose. So you guys don't do one side at a time. And I do want to mention for the top part here, they do have a rotatable head or a ball head design. So that way you can rotate it however you guys want to. So if I do try to move it around, it does let me adjust it however I do want to, which is pretty cool. But now we got this part set up. Let's put on the other side. So I basically want to screw this side onto right here. But you have to make sure the shower hose is all fixed up first. And just screw it in really easily. Make sure every single part is tight. So that way nothing is loose. And then once you guys got it set up, you can stick it right here on top. Just like that. And it's all set. So now you guys are ready to start using it. And then for the actual shower hose right here, it is flexible to how you guys want to. So you definitely bend it to different angles to kind of adjust it around if you guys want to. But let's turn it on and test it out to see what actually works. Alright, so that is mode number 1. If you guys change it, here is mode number 2. Change it again. Here is mode number 3. Press it again. Mode number 4. Press it one more time. Mode number 5. So those are different modes that's available for you. If you can see, it is a high pressure water that comes out. You guys can hear the impact when you guys are using it. But that's really cool how I should give you guys all different modes on here to change depending based on your own preference. So once you guys are done, you have to hang it back up here. And it's all set. So like I mentioned, for the product, it does have a self-cleaning silicone material on there, so that way you guys don't have to clean it. You'll clean it by yourself, which is pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product here in terms of how to set it up and how to use it. If you can see, it definitely does work, and it actually works pretty well. Welcome back, guys. So next up, quick test the product. It definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So you can see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. All you need to do is just screw on each different sections or each different part. Then you start using it just like how you guys saw in the video. If you can see when you actually use the product, it does have a high pressure on there when the water comes out. And having that handheld option is actually pretty cool, so that way you can aim certain part of your body where you guys can't reach. And then on top of that, you do have the different settings on here to change in terms of mist option, rainfall option, and all the other modes available as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality handheld shower head that has a slimmer design and different modes that's on here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.